Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw this concrete table. So we're going to start with free modeling. Okay, you can just start with this one, rectangle. We draw one rectangle here. So this rectangle I give it 700 and tap to 3000 or 3000. Okay, so after that we make a curve first, curve from here. Maybe just draw the arc here. Just make curve only. Okay. So there. Okay. Then click on this one, the one delete. Okay. Delete. Press the delete button, you can delete. Okay. Then this one you remember exclude it on top first. Okay. Exclude it like 100. The face. Just double check on it. Okay. So after that, here we will draw a rectangle also. I block it first in case I move this one first. Okay. Control, select all. Okay, group it. Then move it to the top here. Okay, to the top here. Okay. So after I'm done moving, now I'm gonna draw the inside or this one. Okay, this one blah. Okay. So my adjust will be add auxiliary. This one add auxiliary. I may add one. Okay. First thing, ungroup the whole thing. Also, you can draw on it. Okay. Then you add auxiliary. Okay. Angle wrong. Make sure your angle is correct. Add auxiliary. Select it. Don't select the midpoint, select the side. Okay, so here I put 100. I'll put 100. No, I put 50. I think I put 50. Something like this. Okay, then I draw a rectangle here. You can use I can use rectangle here. Okay, this rectangle will cover all from the picture you can see. Cover all to here. Okay, so I'll just cover it. Just draw one rectangle from here to here. Okay, then the size I want like 2000. Okay, something like this. Then here I will make curve also. I clear all the auxiliary. Okay, I will make curve here. Okay, so this one I will just add arc here, play and come to here, play. So I'll give it almost here. And this one also add the arc here. So I can select the line. Remember, select the line and delete. See, I delete wrong. Control Z. Okay, select the line. I must select the line. Okay. Delete. Select the whole surface. Okay, this one also select the line. Delete. Move it a bit. Select the line. Okay, the surface is not detected. Or like this, the surface is not detected. I delete the arc first. I draw again. Okay, this one need to be careful. delete, line, delete. Okay, so that's the face. Correct. Then I stir this one, go down, stir sheet to, okay, stir sheet 20. Okay. Then we add another one or add another one here. Okay, first we delete the surface, this one. This one, the line, if you don't want, you can delete. And then we continue to create another one for this one, the basin. Okay, just create the basin also using rectangle, or this one using rectangle. Okay, I'll use rectangle. Draw one from here to here. Okay, this one I give it the tab 4500, 4500, tab to 600, enter. Okay, this one is the rectangle, then I need to change this to curve. Okay, change it to curve. Make it smaller, small. Okay, better you select the larger one. Okay, up here to here, come to here. Okay, curve. Then delete line, delete line. Okay, same thing here, draw another arc also. Select line, delete, line, delete. Or you can test lah if you want. So this one you usually can test, go down for 100. Okay, this one is the whole man. 100, then the bottom you can delete. So you can see. Okay. Now the bottom can delete. Okay. So Ctrl Z or repeat first. This one just to test only. So this one same thing, we use curve. Or up to up. A bit. Okay, select the line, delete, select the line, delete. Okay, and this one also. Curve here, select the line, delete, select the line, delete. Okay, then you can test again. So this one I give it 80 or 80. Then select surface, delete. Okay, because I got 20 is here now. Just now I used the wrong calculation. Okay, so this one is correct. If correct, then you just copy one first law in case. So press on the surface, M and Shift. Okay, then you can copy one from the midpoint. You forgot the line, align, maybe put here. Then click on it. Okay, then we stir it also. Or this one, we click on it, stir down like 20 also, 20 also. Or stir down like 20 also. Okay. Then we select the surface, choose this one. Roof. Okay, decorative line, choose this one. Choose only. Okay, first outside right, never mind, mirror it, come in. Okay, maybe rotate a bit, maybe mirror it back down, something like this, curved. So this one maybe I'll give it longer a bit also. I put this one, put 20, yeah, something like this. So we have curve. Is it curve? Am I right? Yeah, should be right. Okay, so do the same thing on here. Select it, exit first. Select surface, then come to loop also. Decorative line. Okay, select this one, select. Okay, this one is outside, never mind. Or mirror it, come in, then mirror it up down. Okay, so the size, give it 20. Okay, so about here, this one I select this one, outside also outside. Exit first. Okay, outside also for the area. Select roof, also roof. Choose the same thing. I can see here generate already. Never mind this one, we just exit first, exit only, or we just stir it up a bit, like 20. The line is 60, right? So I stir it up 60. Okay, so you see now we have the line here. And this one, if the one we can mirror it, mirror it, no need. Okay, almost done. The last thing, sturge also. This one, we sturge it 20 and 20, right? So 100 minus 20, we need to sturge to 60. Okay, 60. Then just delay the surface. Okay, so you can see the how inside. Okay, so this one also we do the same thing. There's a face here. I need to create again. Roof. Choose only. Mirror. Rotate. Okay. So the height, I give it 20. No, the height I give it 20. Okay. Give it 30 lah. Okay, like this. Then you click on this one, exit first. Select this surface, move it down, or stretch it down 60, or same thing, stretch it down 60. Select the surface, delete. Okay, now the layout is almost done. Layout, okay. Okay, return. Then we just drag the down first, or drag the down first. Take this one, I should delete already. This one, the surface, delete. Control Z. Surface. Delete. surface. Okay, button. Okay, just drag down first. Drag sync also can. I think. Can I drag some sync first? Can I drag this one? Oh, do this one, put here. Okay, then move it down, move it down. Oh. Then press C, adjust it, no? C. Better rotate first. Rotate. Okay. C, adjust it. Okay, just use C, the button C to adjust it. Okay. Copy, Control C, copy one, put here. Okay. Okay. After that, I'll put this one now. Oh, plus it. Drag it. Put here. Okay. Put here. Shift. Put here also. Okay. Then we put tiles house, simply drag tiles, ceramic tiles. Okay. First we put mosaic, maybe blue color, any blue color mosaic. Let me see, blue color, pink, purple, blue. Maybe this one. Drag it. Okay. Drag it. You can do lovely like this lah, maximum. Then this one also blue. Okay, plate blue. Let me try to find. Wall. Blue only. Give me blue only. We got plate blue. This one, the blue. Okay, drag. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the rest you have to complete yourself. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.